Tesla delivering cars with FSD installed, no update required. Tesla seems to be delivering its vehicles with the full self-driving FSD beta pre-installed, according to new reports. On Saturday, X, formerly Twitter account Whole Mars blog, posted that Tesla was delivering cars with the FSD beta installed out of the box, meaning that buyers of the software would no longer need to wait to download an update after purchasing the add-on. Instead, users who purchase FSD or transfer it from a different vehicle will see it effectively switched on without having to wait. In the past, those purchasing FSD have had to download a software update to install the beta, often having to wait several weeks for the new update to arrive. However, it appears that this is no longer the case, and FSD will now become available as soon as you make your purchase. One user in the thread noted that a software update wasn't required when utilizing Tesla's one-time FSD transfer to new vehicles, saying that the feature was already turned on in the new vehicle when he got it around 5 weeks ago. As another user points out, the software being pre-installed also means that Tesla has shifted to a single build release for its cars. Whole Mars blog notes that the news is a pretty big deal, and it could relate to Tesla's future plans to unveil the FSD system's next version. In April, Musk said Tesla would reach full autonomy by the end of this year. Though he has been known to make overly ambitious claims in the past about the development speed of FSD, Musk has also said that the upcoming FSD V12 will no longer be beta, and a massive overhaul in functionality is expected with the version's forthcoming release. In August, Musk also live-streamed his experience using FSD V12 on X as the car drove him around Palo Alto, California. The news of FSD being pre-installed comes on the last day of Tesla's temporary offer to let customers transfer the FSD beta to a different car, so long as they take delivery by September 30th. Although it's the final day of the offer, reports suggest that Tesla may offer leniency to those who place their orders by this date, offering extensions to anyone who makes an honest effort to take delivery by the end of the month. Updates on the FSD beta's recent developments were detailed earlier this month, in excerpts leading up to the release of Walter Isaacson's biography of Tesla CEO Elon Musk, and in the book itself. Isaacson notes Tesla's shift away from a rules-based approach with FSD, instead opting for a network path-based one, relying more heavily on training the system's neural network with real-world footage from drivers. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at Teslarati.